Hey guys, I'm Tanya Curran of TV's Scaly Adventures, and I want to show you something cool. This is all about innovation and technology, putting STEM into action. And our friends at Sandhill Elementary School with the Sandhill STEM Lab sent us this. This is a surgical mask strap extender. What's really cool about this is this was printed with a 3D printer. Now, I have never held or seen anything that was printed with a 3D printer before, so this was very exciting to me because I wanted to see what this was like so I could show you. Listen to this. It's really hard. That was one of the things I was wondering about. I was wondering if this was going to be sturdy from a 3D printer, and it really is. Now, this is used on a mask, so a surgical mask that has the elastic that goes behind your ears that healthcare professionals are wearing, and a lot of us are wearing now when we're going out and about, and law enforcement officers. And the problem is that that pulls on your ears. So if you're wearing it for hours and hours and hours, that can add a lot of tension and pressure in the back of your ears. So you put this in the back of your head, and if I had one that had elastic, I would show you, but you put it in the back of the head, and it's got these loops so that you can adjust it, so that the pressure isn't resting on the back of your ear, but it's resting on this. And what we loved about our friends at the Sandhill Elementary in the STEM Lab is that they looked around, they said, what can we do? Because they are a tight-knit community. And Mrs. Earnest, who runs it, was like, let's do something with our printer that will help the community. So they helped the families there and the healthcare workers, and they also sent these out to law enforcement officers. And we want to say thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Earnest. Thank you, Sandhill STEM Lab and Sandhill Elementary, for serving the community and for all you do. We're so proud. This inspired us because this was how Scaly Adventures started. We saw a need for program and quality programming for kids that didn't exist, so we said, let's do something about it. And you did something about it too. You looked for something that you could do with something that you had, and we love that. So thank you so much. Students, we hope this inspires you as well to look around and use the technology that you have to help others in our community. Use your passions to make a difference in the world. This is a great way to live. So again, thank you, Mrs. Earnest. Thank you, Sandhill Elementary. And check these out and look for ways that you can make a difference in our world too. Stay scaly.